We all love our hair, whether it's curly or straight. But all of us go those same problems like hair loss, frizziness, etc. To solve this, I present you the best hair products from Amazon that can solve your frizzes problem. But before we move further, like and subscribe to my channel. 1. Unisafe Rice Water Hair Conditioner. Best conditioner for women dry and frizzy hair with aloe vera extract. It's suitable for all hair types. Parabens sulfate-free. It nourishes and strengthens your hair, and it is pure and natural. Before moving into second product, I want to tell you that all these video is not in paid advertisement. 2. Matrix Opti. Care Professional Conditioner for salon smooth straight hair with 100% paraben-free with 72 hours moisturizing, which is safe for chemically treated hair. It also controls frizziness. Matrix ensures that their conditioner keeps the hair smooth straight up to 4 days. It's a limited deal, so go now and buy with. Link will be in the description. 3. L'Oreal Paris Moisture Sealing Conditioner with hyaluronic acid for dry and dehydrated hair. Adds shine and bounce, which offers 72 hours of intense hydration, which is good for frizzy.